How to get or make Fortnite in your Infinite Craft game just on your PC or the platform where you're playing this game. So let's start this video without any further delay, and we will simply discuss the genuine steps, the step-by-step written guide, and you have to follow the on-screen instructions I'm showing to you in order to make Fortnite in your Infinite Craft. So let's go on the screen and just follow these steps. To get Fortnite in Infinite Craft, combine the internet element with the castle element in your game. You may already have gotten the castle element by crafting the Lord of the Rings element, and it's relatively easy to craft. The internet element is slightly harder, but you can use all of the steps below to get both elements. Firstly, you can see that this is the elements and this is the result. So just copy that. You can also take the screenshot of the screen and just keep creating these type of blocks, and you will on the end see that internet plus castle is equal to Fortnite. This is how you can simply do this thing. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe the channel for watching more technical videos and updates like this.